My name is Gianfranco Benvenuto, was born June 3, 1987. Both my parents are members of the Church of Jesus of Latter-day Saints, also known as Mormons, when I was young. We are sealed in the temple as family. I graduated elementary in the year 2000. Since elementary, I love listening to music. So, I started collecting CDs and cassette tapes and stereo when I was in high school and until now. After I graduated in high school, so I tried to enter the Sibiswa and Biscast. But our leaders in the church encouraged us to serve a mission first. So I was assigned to serve as a full-time missionary in the Philippines Bacolod Mission and Philippines Iloilo Mission year 2009 until 2011. So I worked a little bit to save money for my mission. After my mission, so I need to work for experience. So I entered the networking and any kinds of work. I've learned to teach people in my mission. So I love teaching the children. So I decided to enroll in BEd. I got married in the year 2015. In the year 2016, our daughter was born named Naomi. I worked in Naga City as a sales assistant in KKBM until pandemic. During pandemic, we spent our time selling essential oils from doTERRA. I became a bishop of our ward, the Mercedes First Ward, since September 2019. We did our best just to survive the pandemic. I was a volunteer probation assistant in Department of Justice. My wife was hired as a bookkeeper in Bato Balani National High School. I lost my job while experiencing hardship during the pandemic. So I realized that I need to go back to school. Me and my wife pray together for the decision. Right now, I'm pursuing my education and striving to hard work and enjoy. I'm going to push through this course to be a success. And thank you.